All right, ring ring.
Hello.
Hey, Tatiana.
Yes, this is her.
Hey, Tatiana. This is Jason with the Child Safe Division. I was giving you a call about the Child Safe kit you requested online. How are you today?
I'm good.
All right, great. So these kits are the ones endorsed by the police associations and work with Amber Alert. I'm sure you're familiar with Amber Alert, right?
Not really. Is that the thing that, notifies you on your phone or something like that?
Yeah, exactly. You know the thing, the loud buzzing noise that goes off on your phone when a child's missing or abducted.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, yep. So it's that. So I just need to verify the information on your request form. I have you right off the phone. You're still living at 123 Main Street. Is that still correct?
No.
All right, no worries. We'll get that updated once we get connected. And the email address on file is Tatiana at gmail.com.
Yeah.
All right. And it looks like you requested three kids.
Actually, I think I need to up that number.
Okay, no worries. We'll get that updated for you once we get connected as well. All right. And now, are these kids for your kids or grandkids?
Not, well, some of them. So,
Okay. Okay, great. I was gonna say you don't sound like it'll be no grandparent now.
no, I'm not a grandparent.
Okay. All right. So Tatiana, I'm a licensed professional with the Child Safe Division. We used to actually come out to the house, drop off the fingerprint cards, and register the mobile app on your phone. But they made it a lot easier for everyone who requests these kits by using an application called Zoom. I'm sure you're familiar with Zoom, right?
Yeah.
All right. And perfect. So now the first part of the program is to protect your children in case something happens to them. Second part is to protect your children in case something happens to you. Now, are you married, single, living with a significant other that would need access to the kits as well?
Yes.
All right. So basically married.
No.
All right, significant other.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And what's the latest time you're normally home from work?
5.
About five. Is your significant other usually home around that same time?
No. Later than
So,
that. Probably
so,
around 8, maybe.
all right. So you get home about five, six. Okay. All right, great. So again, my schedule is pretty tight. I could fit you in. So you're going about five. Significant other gets home about eight. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. I have an 8:30 or a 9 p.m. Which one works better for you?
9. That gives me
Nine.
time.
Okay, great. So in the morning about 9 a.m., I'm gonna send you a text reminder. Hopefully I don't wake you. Once you receive that, just send me a thumbs up or an okay. Let me know you got it. All right.
Okay.
All right, perfect. We'll talk to you tomorrow at 9 p.m. All right, have a great evening.
You too.
All right, bye.